So from our blinth base, we're going to make our second boat. So we want to turn the base over, and we're just going to fold each of these edges into the center. A little tricky to that little flap of paper underneath there wants to keep poking out. And there we go, the same on the other side. Just push down on that and make that crease. Okay, I'm going to fold that back over, and then just going to tidy up these edges a bit. Now what we want to do is we're going to fold out these 2 points in the center, just so they flat back, and squash them down like so. There we go. Now we're going to turn this over. What we're going to do is going to fold these sections in. If you've seen the first boat tutorial, this is going to look very, very similar. So we're going to fold these corners into the edge here. I'm going to do this a little bit quicker because you're obviously getting expert at this now. There we go. And we're going to do the same as we did on our previous boat. We're going to move these corners in, just so that they're flat against that center line. And you'll see this boat is a bit smaller than the other boat, so the creases is going to be a bit more difficult to do. So always better to do it on a solid surface if you can, just so you can give a good push down when you need to. And we're going to do the same on the other side, like that. And again on the final side here. Okay. So now we're going to do the same we did on our previous boat. We're going to bring these edges in. You can see how much tougher the paper is now. It's been folded quite a few times. There we go. And just the same on the other side. And give it a good press down. Make sure those creases are in place. Okay. So this will be what you've got left. And now comes the tricky part. Just going to open it up inside, and we're going to do the same as the other boat. We're going to try and fold that inside bit out. So this one might take a little bit more of a tweaking than the previous boat, just to make sure it doesn't tear. There we go, there's one side, and then the other side pops out. And there you can see the base again on the side there. We'll flip over. We've got little pops that come up on here. This is what makes it different to the other boat. There we go. We have our second boat.